This tutorial will show you how to create a RX order for eyeglasses. To reach the RX order screen, you're going to click this button up here and select the patient that you want to select for. And we're going to create an eyeglass order, so we're going to click this button here, New Spectacle Order, and it will bring you up to a new page here. The way that we work this is you can select the date of the exam, and it will automatically drop down the prescription that was found for that day. It will populate that for you automatically. This will allow you to have less risk of transcription errors, where if you try to write the prescription yourself, then there's a chance that you can have some mistakes that were done on it. Once you have the prescription in there, you're going to enter the information such as sig height, distance PD, near PD if applicable, and you can tell them what form it is, binocular, monocular, and so forth. You probably won't need to replicate this section here as binocular, but if you have monocular PDs, then you can put in the monocular numbers. Any kind of prisms that you want to put in here, the amount of the prism, whether it's base up, in or out, up or down, and so forth. If you want to put in a specific base curve for the lens, you can put that in here. If you want to put in a specific center thickness or edge thickness, for example, if you're having a high myopia, you want to put in a 1.0 center thickness, you can do that there. You can also put in the ocular center information if you need to. To select the lens you want to order, you're going to click from the product list here what kind of lens you want to do. You can do progressives, and then when you bring up that tab, you're going to see a list of all the potential progressives that you can pick from. For example, we'll just pick Solomax here in a polycarbonate. If you want to select the same lens for the left eye, you just click this little left arrow here and it will populate it automatically for you. If you're going to tint the lens, you can select any color you like. And because the specific type of material is already listed in the product code, you don't necessarily have to hit polycarbonate. You can do that if you need to. You can also select the type of frame. Let's say, for example, we pick a Luxottica frame here, and it'll give you a list of or brands that's under Luxottica line. So then we'll pick Ray-Ban here, the model number, and what kind of material it is, and you can type in yourself or pick from the list. What color is it? You can also put in the specific color code. What type of bevel? We have grooved, rimless, and so forth. What kind of style? Eye size, bridge, temple length. And you can also have other A, B, E, D, DBL information as well. Once you have this information saved here, you can hit Save Order, and it will save the information for you. Once the information has been saved, then you're allowed to add add-ons. For example, you have an add-on here that was automatically included for you. The system will analyze your information, and depending on what information is in the system that's been inputted, it will add automatically any kind of upgrade fees that's necessary. For example, if you were to pick a rimless drill 4, save order, it will automatically add a 8-point drill mount charge to the order. For example, if the prescription was exceptionally high, save order, it will automatically analyze the information and charge a RX overage greater than plus a diopter. So these items here typically are forgotten to be charged because your staff may not remember the script and so forth, but the system automatically ensures that you bill the full amount that's necessary for the patient. And if you want to add any other add-ons, you can click this button here. It will give you a list of add-ons that you can put in here. Let's say we decide we want to do, for example, a transitions treatment here. Let's find photochromic transitions. You can click that. Actually, this will be a transitions for multifocal because there is a price difference between the two. You can also do AR coatings. For example, you want to pick Crizal, you can do that. Once you're done picking all the items you need to do, you can come down here and hit save. That will save the information for you, and then they'll automatically charge the necessary items here to the patient. You can also put any kind of information. Typically we'll put a phone number here, that way when the order comes in, we can call the patient. or if you want to any other pertinent information, you can put in that space. Once you're done, you can go ahead and hit Save Order, and that will save the entire order for you. And this concludes the tutorial for placing a spectacle lens order.